Hi guys, welcome to another CrafTangles product intro, and today we'll be talking about CrafTangles dies Pheras. This die set contains two dies. One is the silhouette of a guy and girl taking Pheras, and the second one is the sentiment Shubh vivaah in Hindi. It is a fairly simple die and can be cut easily through most die cutting machine using the correct sandwich. The die cutting machine I am using over here is Cuttlebug, and the cardstock that I am using is CrafTangles 250 GSM colored cardstock. As you can see, the die cuts actually pops out very easily from the paper itself. And this is how the die cuts look. Later on, we'll be sharing some projects using these die cuts. Here is a small showcase of the projects made, and very soon we'll have tutorials for all these projects on our social media and YouTube channel. All the details are in the description of this video, which contains product links.